Hi, I'm Okai, a software engineer from Ghana, and this is my Kotlin tax manager demo for my personal software portfolio. I built this console app to master Kotlin syntax and object-oriented programming while creating a practical tool to manage tax. In this 4 to 5 minute video, I'll be showing you the app running in IntelliJ IDEA, walk you through the code and share what I learned about it. Let's get started. Let me show you the tax manager in action. This is a console app where user can add, remove, list, clear and update tax status. I am running it in the IntelliJ IDE with JDK 17. So the menu have 6 menus, which we are going to see shortly as I run the code. So you can see this is our 6 menu. We have the add tax, remove tax, list tax, clear all tax, update new tax and exit. So I will want us to try to add a tax. So the tax name will be team meeting. Description will be team update. Description will be team update. So for we are going to leave it for it to pick a default. So I want us to check and see if we have the list, if we have been able to update the tax manager. So we are going to list all tax and we can see the ID 1 name, team meeting, description, team update, status pending. So I want us to try and update the tax. So we will click 5, we will select 5 to update the tax. So the ID, enter the tax ID, which is 1, then enter a new status. We will say completed. So now status must be pending or completed, so we have entered status must yes, error message. So there is an error message, yes. Now let's try and clear the tax for all tax cleared, and let's try and exit 6. Goodbye. So now that we have demonstrated that everything works, I want us to go through the codes to view the codes. So here we can see here is the tax data class with the immutable properties, the ID, name, description and status. The var keyword ensures inability and override toString for clear output. Data class are a Kotlin feature I learned from concern object creation. And the tax manager class. So we have the tax manager class, where the tax manager class manage tax. So I use a multi-table var table to with multi-table list of to store tax. So meeting the collection modification requirement, the var next ID tracks tax ID, which we can also see them. So for the function, the add tax function that we can see here, function validate input with if condition and add tax to the collection. So let's tax use a for loop to display tax. I learned how Kotlin functions are concise with fun and permanent type. So with when keyword and loop, so with the when keyword and loop, the main functions uses a while loop. Yes, the main function uses a while loop to the main function uses a while loop for the menu and when expression to handle user choice. So you see for it and the when to handle user choice, if found when to be a powerful alternative to switch statement, and while loop keeps the app interactive. Other functions that I added was the functions like remove tax. So you can see function like remove tax, yes, and clear tax. So we have remove tax, clear tax, which you can also see here, clear tax, and update tax status. So we have it here. They all uses a collection method remove, clear, or index of, and expressions like next id plus, which I added comment for all functions exceeding the 100 plus line requirement for the assignment. So the Kotlin no safety like read line and to int or no was new to me, and it helped prevent crash. Then standard library collection made tax management straightforward. So this project taught me Kotlin power for building clear, efficient app, and I'm proud to share this. As a Ghanaian developer, I will continue to improve it with features like tax priorities. Check out the code. You can check out the code on my GitHub. Yes, which I've pushed. And also I added a readme file. So this is the readme file. Let me open it. So this is the readme file, which contain the all information about the code, the development environment, the useful website that I learned from, and the future work that I'll be adding. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to apply Kotlin in the future projects. See you next time for next demo.